Honda has also added a new sport trim, which sits between the Bass LX and Mid-Level X. The sport trim replaces chrome accents with gloss black and also adds 18-inch wheels and a center-mounted exhaust inspired by the Civic C. Unlike the sport trim Civic hatchback, the coupe and sedan will be powered by the Bass naturally aspirated 2.0-liter four-cylinder with 158 horsepower, not the 1.5-liter turbocharged unit with 174 horsepower. Both the coupe and sedan are available with either a 6-speed manual transmission or a CVT. Like the recently revealed 2019 HR-V and Pilot, the 2019 Civic will come with an updated 7-inch infotainment display which, joy of joys, now has a volume knob, no more having to fuss around with Honda's silly volume slider. The 2019 Civic is also safer thanks to standard Honda sensing technology, which includes collision mitigation braking, forward collision warning, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. These are all welcomed additions that make the Civic an even better option in the compact car segment. Pricing was not announced, but we expect that will be very soon as the 2019 Civic will soon be in dealerships.